How Hitler and the Nazis rose to power. To understand how Hitler and the Nazis rose to power, we need to first look at what happened after World War I, which took place from 1914 to 1918. World War I was fought between two major groups of countries. The Allied powers included the United Kingdom, France, Russia, Italy, the United States, Japan, and several other countries. The Central Powers included Germany, Austria-Hungary, the Ottoman Empire, and Bulgaria. Although Germany was a strong and powerful empire, it was defeated in 1918. After Germany lost the war, the people suffering from food shortages, strikes, and protests. Workers and soldiers blamed the emperor, Kaiser Wilhelm II, for the defeat. A revolution broke out, and the situation became so serious that the Kaiser abdicated, that means he gave up his throne, and fled to the Netherlands on November 9, 1918. On the same day, Germany was declared a republic, and soon a new democratic government was formed. This government became known as the Weimar Republic. But the German people were very unhappy because of the Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919. What was the Treaty of Versailles? The peace treaty after World War I was called the Treaty of Versailles. It was signed in 1919 at the Palace of Versailles in France. The treaty was made between Germany, which was defeated in the war, and the Allied powers. The main Allied leaders were from France, the United States, and Italy. These countries forced Germany to accept the blame for the war and agree to strict conditions. The Treaty of Versailles was a peace settlement signed after World War I. Instead of bringing peace, it created anger in Germany because the terms were very harsh. Germany lost all its colonies and 18% of its land. It lost 75% of its iron and 26% of its coal. It had to pay £6 billion in reparations, money for war damages. The Rhineland, a rich industrial area, was occupied by Allied armies. Germany was forced to accept full for causing the war. This was called the War Guilt Clause. Because of this treaty, Germans felt humiliated and betrayed. They blamed the Weimar Republic for accepting such unfair terms. Supporters of the Republic, like socialists and Democrats, were insultingly called the November criminals.